Hey there folks, welcome to our channel, where we're diving into a topic that's truly buzzing, the incredible world of honeybees. You see, the world might seem big and complicated, but it's also quite fragile. One of its pillars, the honeybee, plays a crucial role in our lives. Ever wonder why you can enjoy delicious meals every day? Well, honeybees are the unsung heroes behind 1 in every 3 bites you take. And here's the shocker, if all the honeybees were to vanish, millions could go hungry. It's like a domino effect. No bees, no food. But it's not just about meals. Honeybees have an economic impact of around $265 billion, keeping the food industry buzzing. However, these tiny heroes are in trouble. Nasty mites, deadly pesticides, and other foes are causing major bee losses worldwide. It's a sticky situation, but there's hope. We can all play a role in saving the bees. You can start in your own backyard, plant flowers, create bee-friendly spaces, and raise awareness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening stories about the incredible world around us. We're all in this together, connected to the web of life. Let's protect our tiny friends, and in doing so, protect ourselves. Thanks for joining us on this important journey, and we'll see you next time. Subscribe and be part of the change.